Hey everybody, I'd like to first thank you for your interest in Prelaunch Club and in signing up for our mailing list. Inside the club, you're going to get chat and video support daily with both crowdfunding experts and top talent designers. You'll also get early access to all our marketing resources, including worksheets, tools, guides, templates. We got a lot of templates, including grassroots posts, social media posts, community posts, ads, including Facebook ads, Google, Reddit, TikTok, email updates, Kickstarter campaign updates, and press and influencer outreach, and a whole lot more. Also included is a plug-and-go Shopify theme that makes designing your landing page really just point-blank easy. You drop in your images, your text, and lay out the sections you want, and that's all there is to it, really. You're going to get all of this, by the way, for just $19.99. That's 60% off. After the Kickstarter is over, I'm going to be raising the price to $50 a month or more. Okay, so let's get into it. To join the club, really, all you gotta do is press either of these buttons at the top or bottom of the page where it says subscribe and get support now. When that's going to open up the Discord web app, and it's going to start asking you to create an account if you don't already have one. So the first step, of course, is to choose a username. So let's just create one. Press continue. It's going to do a CAPTCHA to verify you're a human. So this one, I got to pick cameras. Okay, not a robot. Okay, so now this is opening up the Discord web app. It's going to ask me to pick a date of birth. And then finally, it's going to ask for your email and desired password. Now, once you insert the email, you're going to have to verify that email by going to your mailbox and, clicking the verification link. So once you've clicked the verification link, you're going to get access to the public side of the club. And to subscribe to the private club area, either press on the left menu here, server subscriptions, or you can click any of these club area links. So when you press server subscriptions, all you gotta do is press this subscribe button here, and you can also review everything you're getting out of the club down here. Okay, so let me open up the Discord app here. And so you can see what it looks like inside the club. So inside the club, you're going to get a section here, a channel on strategy and tips, where all these other crowdfunding project creators are sharing their insights and things they learned. You can also ask questions, request ad and page reviews for your landing page, your Kickstarter page, your ads or ad results. Just give me the link or screenshots, however you'd like to do it. You could also add me as a business partner so that I can go in and look at the results myself. But I'll basically be able to give you insight and help, analysis, suggestions on how to improve things, and all that jazz, as if I was your partner. There's also video chat support in case you'd like to schedule a call through Google Meet or on the fly, and we can go in together and discuss through voice and video what you need help with. Last and finally, there's the download links. So the main home here is this Google Doc called the Launch Strategy Planner. And so any of these Google Docs, by the way, you can go to the top left, press File, make a copy so you can download your own personal copy if you'd like. But okay, scrolling down, you're going to see a table of contents. In all of the guides, you're going to get a resource section. In here, you're going to see all the other documents. So business resources, community, funnel, launch, the Shopify theme. Going down here, you see the master checklist, the progress checklist. Launching a campaign on Kickstarter, when you boil it down, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You set up all your stuff, like your landing page, your designing your product, setting up your community, and then you run a pre-launch campaign, step number 2. in which case you're going to manage that community and then execute a strategy using ads, grassroots, live stream, influencers, press, contests, or conventions with awards and charts and all that jazz. And then step 3, you're going to start launching your campaign. And what we got here is a reward tiers worksheet and guide on how to plan out your rewards. A video script template, so we're going to help you along in designing your trailer video. Then there's a campaign launch guide, which is going to go into how to choose the launch date, design the Kickstarter page, set up the tracking systems, and design the ads for your live campaign. And then finally is, blasting out the emails and a sequence on doing that. And then you launch your project. And then we have a bunch of campaign update templates. And also, when you get to the very end and your campaign's over, there's a supply chain guide, which we're going to go over, fulfillment, manufacturing, distribution. Fulfillment includes, late pledges, reward surveys, how to handle VIP systems, and things like that. So inside each guide, you're going to find, let's look at the campaign launch guide. Inside each guide, you're going to find a bunch of resources dedicated to this specific topic, which include, tools and things like that. Then there's going to be a checklist. And once again, it's, step 1, 2, 3 on how to execute this particular system or component of a Kickstarter campaign. And then also included is walkthrough videos. So in case you don't want to read, you can always watch me doing it live and follow along alongside. And of course, if you have any questions along the way, you're welcome to just hop back in to the Discord server, or you can privately email me, and we can handle it there if you don't wish to talk about in front of other people. I think that's kind of it. Of course, there's email templates and all that jazz, a copywriting guide. There's literally, in market analysis and how to do that, there's literally everything here. It's super comprehensive, packed with examples, cheat sheets, templates, like I said, everything. So, I hope you join us, because this is a steal of a deal, really. It's a bunch of gold. We've raised over $30 million so far using these strategies, and I think you can too. The average we do is something, or the median, I should say, is $60,000. So if you've launched a campaign in the past and you've only been able to raise $5,000-$10,000, let's show you the ways on how to do a whole lot more with maybe even less money or none at all. With no marketing budget. We've had people do a phenomenal raises with no budget. Anyway, so like I said, I hope you join us, and I'm happy to help you all along the way, every step, and I hope you have a wonderful day today. Thank you so much.